So, we were discussing about the netiquettes. Seventh is don't share your personal information. Posting private and personal information in the wrong location can have serious consequences. Means, children, you should not post the personal information about yourself and about the people whom you are in touch with, whether they are your parents or siblings or friends, anybody. Okay, because it may create a problem for them. Okay, we are living in a world where everybody is connected to other people through network, through internet, through various other means. So if you are posting some information, they can have a lot of trouble because of that. So you should not post any private information anywhere without the permission of that concerned person. Disclosing too much information could give predators and those with bad intentions valuable information. Okay, so you should not post also, because if you are posting information about yourself, if you are posting that I am here, I am there, so people with bad intention can trouble you there as well. So you should not be doing it. Okay, be very careful while working with the internet. Now, eighth, help internet newbies. Be patient and helpful with others. Remember, everyone was a newbie once. So, children, I told you that whenever you like, internet is a big world, and every day you are learning something new. Something new is introduced to you. So, if you are learning something new, or if you want to learn from someone else, you should be patient with them. Okay, it will take time because everybody is learning at the same time, but at the different levels. Like in this chapter you have learned about emails, so maybe your parents are aware of the email, or they may not be aware of it. So you can teach them something new, and when they ask you questions, then be patient with them. Okay, and when they will learn, they will be so happy, and even you will feel that you have passed on something very valuable to someone else as well. Okay, children. Now, be aware of cyberbullying. When a person uses the internet, cell phones, or other devices to send or post text or images intended to hurt or embarrass another person, it is called cyberbullying. Today, cyberbullying is increasing rapidly. If targeted by a cyberbully, do not respond. Keep all original correspondence with dates and times if possible. Talk to your parents about the issue. Means when people are using your information which they have got through maybe internet, cell phones, or other devices, okay, and they intend to hurt you or embarrass you in some way, it is called bullying. Just like there is a bullying factor in the real life, same way cyberbullying. But children, what I suggest you is that whenever something like this happens, you should always tell your parents, whether it is happening online or offline. You should always tell your parents that so and so is troubling me because of this reason. You may feel that they may scold you, or they may like tell something that you will find unpleasant, but children, remember, they will always work for your good. Okay, so you should not deal with this on your own. You should do not respond to them, those people. Tell your parents, because they will deal with it more wisely. They know how to deal with such things, so they will deal with them more wisely. Okay, now obey copyright laws. Obey copyright laws, don't steal. Means when we are using somebody else's pictures or names or brand name or something like that, we are disobeying copyright laws. Means let's say I have taken the example of Nike. So what you do, if you are using their way of writing and their picture as for promoting your own brand, or your own thing, then it is called disobeying of copyright laws. You should not do this. Create your own identity, your own thing that you want to show to the world. Okay, and copying somebody else's things or images or pictures or like that, don't do that. Okay, just like in the school, if you are copying your friend's project, so it is not it is not just called copying, it is called stealing. You are stealing their ideas, so avoid this. Okay, By following these simple and straightforward guidelines, the online experience will be enjoyable and safe for all. So when you follow all these guidelines, the online experience will be good for you. What you should follow is explore internet for the good reasons, for educational reasons, for entertainment reason, but be careful while using it, because any wrong information from your side can trouble lot many peoples including you. So you should always be very careful and take the advice of your parents or elder people who are at home. Okay children, so this is all about the this chapter. Now you will be doing its back exercises on your own, which we will discuss in the next periods. Thank you.